Hey everyone, Marke here, and today we're diving headfirst into the world of AI, but not just any AI. We're talking about AI that actually boosts your productivity. We're going deep on 7 different tools you can use to streamline your workflow, kickstart your creativity, and basically just become the ultimate efficiency machine. And the best part, every single tool we're looking at today is completely free to use. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get right into it. First up, we're taking a look at Arc Browser. Now you might be thinking, Marks, a browser? Really? But trust me on this one. Arc is completely reimagining what a web browser can be, and a lot of that innovation is centered around AI. Imagine a browser that learns how you work and adapts to your needs. That's Arc. It uses AI to organize your tabs, prioritize your most used sites, and even help you find information within your browsing history faster than ever before. Say goodbye to the days of endless scrolling through dozens of tabs just to find that one article you were reading. Arc's AI does the heavy lifting for you, learning your habits and predicting what you need before you even know it. It's like having a personal assistant for your web browsing, and it's honestly a game changer. I've been using Arc as my daily driver for a few weeks now, and honestly I don't know how I ever lived without it. It's just so much smoother and more intuitive than traditional browsers. Plus, the AI features are constantly evolving, so it's only going to get better over time. Next up is Perplexity, and if you're someone who spends a lot of time researching online, like me, you're going to want to pay attention. Perplexity is basically like having a super-powered research assistant at your fingertips 24/7. You know how sometimes you go down these rabbit holes on Google, clicking link after link, trying to find that one specific piece of information? Perplexity eliminates that. You ask it a question, any question, and it doesn't just give you a list of links. It actually understands your query and provides you with a concise, informative answer, complete with citations and links to sources, so you can verify the information yourself. But here's where the AI magic really comes in. Perplexity remembers your past questions and uses that context to give you even better, more personalized answers over time. It's like having a conversation with the smartest search engine on the planet, and it's incredibly powerful. Now, let's talk about Notion. Chances are you've already heard of Notion. It's become incredibly popular as a note-taking and project management tool. But what you might not know is that Notion has been quietly rolling out some seriously impressive AI features. Think of it as your own personal writing assistant, but within Notion. It can help you generate ideas, write outlines, summarize lengthy documents, and even improve your writing with grammar and style suggestions. And the best part? Notion's AI seamlessly integrates with all the other amazing features that Notion already has, like databases, calendars, and task management. So you can go from brainstorming ideas to creating a full-fledged project plan without ever leaving the Notion ecosystem. Next up is Texts.com, and this one is a game changer for anyone who communicates a lot for work, school, or just life in general. Texts.com is all about using AI to make communication faster, clearer, and more efficient. Imagine this, you're in a meeting and someone's giving a presentation. You could try to take notes the old-fashioned way, or you could use Texts.com SAI to transcribe the entire meeting in real time, complete with speaker identification. Then you can easily search through the transcript later to find the exact information you need. But it's not just about transcription. Text.com can also help you write better emails, summarize long articles or documents, and even translate languages on the fly. It's like having a personal communication assistant that helps you get your message across more effectively and efficiently. Let's face it, email can be a productivity black hole. But what if I told you there's an AI-powered tool that can help you take back control of your inbox and reclaim hours of your time every week? That's where Missive comes in. Missive is more than just an email client. It's a complete team collaboration and communication platform. But the real magic of Missive lies in its AI-powered features. For example, Missive's AI can automatically sort and prioritize your emails, so you're not constantly bombarded with unimportant notifications. It can also help you write better emails, faster, with features like AI-powered smart replies and grammar and tone suggestions. And if you're working on a team, Missive makes it super easy to collaborate on emails and share drafts, so everyone's on the same page. Now, let's talk about something a little different. Design. Whether you're creating social media posts, presentations, or even just a simple flyer, Canva has become the go-to tool for anyone who needs to create visually appealing content. And recently, Canva has been stepping up its AI game in a big way. One of the coolest features is their AI-powered text-to-image generator. You literally just type in a description of what you want to create, and Canva's AI will generate multiple options for you to choose from. It's like magic, and it can save you a ton of time and effort when you need to create custom graphics. But that's not all. Canva also has AI-powered tools that can help you remove backgrounds from images, enhance photos, and even create animations and videos. Basically, if you need to create any kind of visual content, Canva's AI tools can help you do it faster, easier, and with better results. Finally, let's talk about ChatGPT, arguably the most well-known AI tool on this list. ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can generate human-like text in response to prompts or questions. It's still under development, but it's already capable of some pretty amazing things. For example, you can use ChatGPT to write different kinds of creative content, like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. I've even used it to help me come up with ideas for videos. But ChatGPT's potential goes far beyond just generating creative text formats. It can also be used for things like translating languages, writing different kinds of creative content, and answering your questions in an informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. So there you have it, 7 incredible AI tools that can help you boost your productivity and get more done in less time. The best way to figure out which tools are right for you is to try them out for yourself. Most of them offer free trials or free plans, so you can experiment and see what works best for your workflow. And honestly, this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to AI. As these tools continue to evolve, I can't wait to see how they'll transform the way we work, create, and communicate in the future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.